Most businesses produce work based on forecasts. They make products before customers actually need them. This often creates huge amounts of excess inventory, storage costs, and hidden waste. This is exactly the problem pull systems were designed to solve. A pull system means work is only produced when there is actual downstream demand. Instead of pushing products through a process regardless of need, each step pulls work only when required. One common lean tool used in pull systems is called a supermarket. In lean, a supermarket is not a grocery store. It is a controlled inventory area holding a small amount of stock between process steps. Imagine a warehouse picking operation. Instead of producing huge batches continuously, products are replenished only when inventory reaches a specific minimum level. As items are removed, signals trigger replacement stock to refill the supermarket. This keeps inventory flowing without overproduction. The goal is simple: maintain enough stock to meet demand without creating unnecessary excess inventory. Pull systems help businesses reduce storage costs, improve flow, expose operational problems faster, and respond more flexibly to customer demand. Toyota used pull systems extensively inside the Toyota production system to improve efficiency and reduce waste. The important idea is this: inventory should flow because customers need it, not because the process keeps producing regardless of demand. The companies that operate most efficiently are usually the ones producing the right amount, at the right time, in the right place, with as little waste as possible. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.